Bhushan and Dhanjil to start the next session.
Thank you, everyone. And with this, we go on to making the announcement for the Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalists. And I have the pleasure of welcoming Mr. Bhushan Mohan, Senior Fellow, Scotch Development Foundation and former consultant with National E-Governance Division. Mr. Nirmal Bansal, Senior Fellow, Scotch Development Foundation and former banker. And they have been on the Scotch Independent Panel of Experts, conducting the rounds of evaluations, interacting with you, and making recommendations to us. And with this, I invite Mr. Ganesh Anantha Narayana, Chief Operating Officer, Airtel Payments Bank, Banking with Bharosa, to receive the Scotch Order of Merit semi-final.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hani Madan. Ganesh is not here. I'm representing the Airtel Payments Bank. On behalf of the bank, I'd like to say that we're extremely honored to have been nominated for this award. And we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Scotch for this. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to you and the entire team. The next one also goes to Airtel Payments Bank, last mile banking during the pandemic.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. It's very nice to receive this recognition. Our team has actually done a lot of hard work in the course of last year. Our distribution across country, through our distribution, we ensured that, where nobody else is available, our bank is available to service the customers. We will continue to strive to work towards the upliftment of the underbanked rural geographies. Thank you very much once again.
Congratulations once again. And there is a third one as well on last mile banking for Airtel Payments Bank.
Thank you very much once again. We're really, really, truly honored to hear about this. Thank you, Scotch.
Congratulations are in order. I move on to invite Mr. Uday Raj Mishra, Director, Amar Polyfills Private Limited. Mr. Manoj Kumar Nambiar, Managing Director and Board Member, Arohan Financial Services, Response to COVID. For Corporate Governance, Arohan Financial Services, Mr. Manoj Kumar Nambiar. Third one, Mera Arohan for Arohan Financial Services. Yet another one for microcredit. Mr. Ratan Ranjan Behera, co-owner, Ayush Enterprises for Solid Waste Management. Do we have Mr. Behera with us?
Yes, I am with you.
Kindly switch on your video so that we can...
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, I am Behera. Hello.
We can see you and hear you.
Are you listening? Are you listening my voice?
Yes.
Hello.
We can hear you.
Are you listening?
We can hear you.
Are you, sir? I am very Scotch management team. I'm from Orissa. My native place is the very village place and Scotch, so that I will feel grateful to all the Scotch management team.
Thank you. Mr. Rajendra Mani, Assistant General Manager from Bank of India for Document Management System.
Hello.
Bank of India again, Mr. C. Rajendra Mani for BOI COVID response.
Hello. Hello.
Third one also goes to Mr. Rajendra Mani, Assistant General Manager, Bank of India for BOI Corporate and Global Websites. BOI Seva, Virtual Digital Assistant, Bank of India. Mr. Radheshyam Bansal, General Manager, Official Language, Bank of Maharashtra.
नमस्कार, मैं राधेश्याम बंसल, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र जनरल मैनेजर राजभाषा। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी और गर्व की बात है कि देश के प्रतिष्ठित संस्था सरकार समूह द्वारा हमारे बैंक के प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज यूज ऑफ ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज व कस्टमर कन्वेंस को स्कॉच ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट के लिए चयन किया गया। मैं बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र की तरफ से स्कॉच कंपनी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Congratulations. Mr. Aman Pandey, founder and CEO, Begonia Transforming Private Limited, Meal on Road. Mr. Shivaram Ramaswamy, Chief Technology Officer, Counter Unmanned Aerial Systems for Urban Environment, Big Bam Boom Solutions Private Limited. Mr. Mahesh Kumar Manubhai Patel, CRC Coordinator, Cluster Resource Center, Pandu, for Education, Cross Enrollment Ratio.
Yes, sir.
We can hear you.
Yes.
Question and answer वो दिख रहा है।
Congratulations.
Yes, sir. मुझे स्कोच ग्रुप में फाइनलिस्ट में जो शामिल किया उसके लिए सर्व शिक्षा अभियान गुजरात की ओर से भी आप स्कोच परिवार का मेंबर होने के लिए तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं मेरे क्लस्टर में जो बच्चों थे जिसका प्राइमरी स्कूल में नामांकन के लिए बहुत कन्विंस किया और सभी को एक साथ लेने के लिए अब तक से मैंने 1000 बच्चों का एनरोलमेंट, इसमें 940 से ज्यादा गर्ल्स और 308 माइनॉरिटी बच्चों को जो स्कूल से विचलित हो गए थे उनका भी नामांकन करवाया और 32 जो स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन थे दिव्यांग बच्चों उनको वाली को भी कन्विंस किया और उन्हें स्कूल में भी मैंने बैक टू स्कूल करवाया और सभी बच्चे अभी शिक्षा ले रहे हैं और कई बच्चों ने तो वो अभी मैट्रिक भी पाया है और कोच के माध्यम से मैं सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि मुझे और एजुकेशन में काम किया तो उसके लिए जो मुझे अभी इस मौके पे बोलने का चांस मिला, अवसर मिला, उसीलिए भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हमारी तरफ से।
थैंक यू।
Mr. Das Navjot, Director, DD Nutritions Private Limited. Mr. Digvijay Dabaria, Chairman, Dabaria Plywood Limited. Drone Squad by Drone Lab Technology Private Limited, Mr. Nikhil Methia, Director. Financial Digital Inclusion and Education, ESAF Small Bank Finance Bank, Mr. Paul Thomas, Managing Director. Mr. Vishwanath Kamath, Managing Director, Fronius India Private Limited for Fronius Solar Energy Solutions. Mr. Vishwanath Kamath, Managing Director for Fronius India Private Limited. Mr. Subhashish Sahu, Founder and Chief Project Officer, ICE Foundation.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Program linking Agritech app.
Good afternoon, sir. I would thank you, the Scotch Group, for felicitating with the award. This gets dedicated to 53,000 farmers. We have linked and we have aggregated 40 FPOs in this COVID-19 time. And yesterday we got the recipient in this Krishi Odisha award. And this goes to the farmers who are now called digital farmers in Odisha, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Raushab Gandhi, Deputy Chief Executive Officer from India First Life Insurance Company Limited for Project Simplify.
Dr. Dhanjal, I just lost the connection. Can I speak for Mr. Kamath on Phoenix India for a few seconds?
Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Dhanjal and Mr. Kochar and the entire Scotch team. Mr. Kamath is in the middle of a meeting, so I have got the links from him, and thank you once again for giving us this chance for the Order of Merit. We look forward to the team association for a longer time. Wishing you all the best. Dhanyawad. Namaskar.
Congratulations to you and the entire team.
Thank you.
Mr. Raushab Gandhi, Deputy Chief Executive Officer for One Day Claim Settlement, India First Life Insurance Company. Ms. Padamja Chunduru, Managing Director and CEO, Indian Bank, Performance during COVID. Indocan Honey Private Limited, Mr. Amit Gupta, Director.
Thank you very much, Scotch team, for honoring us the Order of Merit Award. We would like to dedicate this award to 10,000 plus beekeepers with whom we work with. And I'm happy to report that during COVID, we not only grew our beekeeper network 6,000, 10,000 people, we also started financially getting them approvals from government to transport honey during lockdown, and also helping their families and kids with second-hand and used mobile phones so that their kids could school while at home. So we are really thankful to the Scotch team for all the honor, and we hope that we continue with the good work.
Wonderful work. Mr. Gupta, congratulations to you. John,
Dr. Gusharan, hi, this is Sarabjit Singh from India First Life. I was trying to speak, but somehow there are some network issues. On behalf of India First, we'd like to thank the entire Scotch team for honoring India First and their related projects, One Day Claim Settlement as well as Simplify. Thanks a lot.
Well, congratulations. We missed you, but yes, I'm glad that you could join online. Mr. John Livingston, Founder, CEO and Product Architect from Jonet Technologies Private Limited. Mr. Karan Lamba, Chief Executive Officer, Karna International. You are muted. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much, Scotch. I've been listening since morning, and it's really, I should appreciate the way Scotch is taking the grassroots concerns of Indian industry as well as other platforms to further up. And this makes, I think this helps a lot in policy making. Since me representing MSFP ME, and that's backbone of industry, I have a lot of things to say, which I've been saying, and I feel that those being implemented in micro or macro level in policy making. Thank you very much, Scotch, again, for your such endeavors, which are really spirited to India and growth of India. God bless.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Mitsu Chem Plast Limited, Mr. Manish Dedia, Director.
Hi, I'm Manish Dedia. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. We are doing a lot of we are following Atmanirbhar policy of Mr. Narendra Modi. We are doing a lot of import substitution. We are manufacturing in India. And thanks, Scotch, for honor us. Thank you.
Congratulations. Mr. Subodh Praladka, Director, Motilal Dhulichand Private Limited. You have to unmute yourself. You are still muted.
Myself, S.K. Singh Shekhar, I management representative from Motilal Dunichand. Thank you for awarding us your Scotch Award. I am very proud to have this award from your team. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Mr. Mohammed Harris, Managing Director, Mukha Seafood Industries Limited.
Hello, everybody, respected jury and invited delegates. Myself, K. Mohammed Arif, Executive Director of Mukha Seafood Industries Limited, present my company as the largest manufacturer and exporter of fish meal, fish oil, soluble paste from India. We have 55 years of rich group legacy. We have strategically located fish meal plant in Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Oman. Our huge addressable market, geographically diversified presence across more than 15 countries with long-standing relationship strengthens our relation. Our financial parameters: 272 crores turnover in the financial year 2018 to 553 crores turnover in the financial year 2020, showing our group as growth as the biggest player in this field. Mukha Seafood industry with the 25% market share in India, 1 lakh tons of output capacity, 8 plants situated strategically located in 875 plus employees based across Europe and Chinese market. The turnover of 553 crores in the financial year 2020 led us to 278th company in the list of FT 1000 high growth companies in Asia Pacific 2020 edition. We are strong enough to face challenges even in pandemic. Coronavirus rattled all over the world. We stood with our employees and supported them without dropping and performed well. We are here to present ourselves proudly as a nominees to this award, and I appeal to you all to vote and support to attain this prestigious award, to increase our moral and strengthen us in our future endeavors. Thank you, Scotch.
Congratulations to you and the entire team. Wonderful.
Thank you.
I move on to invite Organic Solutions for Rejuvenation of Pond in Khetwas, Ms. Aditi Agarwal, partner. You're muted again.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Good afternoon. On behalf of the entire team of Organic Solutions, I would like to thank the Scotch Group, the distinguished judges, and everyone who voted for us for acknowledging the work that we are doing in providing natural and cost-effective solution, advanced eco-reactor for sewage treatment in public parks and in rejuvenating water bodies. We would like to dedicate this award for all the organizations and the individuals who are associated with us and who help us recycle 8 million liters of wastewater every day in a cost-effective, in a natural, without the use of chemicals and high power consumption. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. The next one also goes to Organic Solutions, mini sewage treatment plants in public parks to reduce dependency on fresh water for irrigation.
Thank you once again for this honor. This really gives us the motivation to strive towards our vision of creating a transition in India towards natural and sustainable solutions for recycling and reusing every single drop of water. Thank you.
Congrats again. And there we go. One more. Decentralized natural wastewater treatment for rejuvenation of water bodies.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again.
Prima Equipment, Mr. Pritesh M. Shah, proprietor.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much to the entire group, Scotch Group, for again giving us an honor of the Order of Merit.
चलो बेटे सब सामान रखते हैं, ठीक है?
Hello.
मैं चलता हूँ।
Yes.
Thank you so much for the order of merit, and I'm sure this award will definitely keep motivating our team to contribute for the indigenous manufacturing and to giving the solution for the pollution and environment monitoring equipment. I'm assuring to entire fraternity will continue the innovation for the excellence. Thank you so much again to entire the Scotch Group and the panelists. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Mr. Shah. I now invite Mr. Arun Piruli, Chief Executive Officer, QCopy Online Services Private Limited, GOK Direct App. Mr. Nitin Shashindran, Founder and Producer, QUAFF NV Creations.
Hello. Thank you so much. This means a lot for us, and we'll ensure that the Ikshana by QOF will be taken to a sky limit by considering this motivation from the Scotch team. So thank you so much, Dr. Dhanjal, and thank you, Scotch, and on behalf of our entire QOF team. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you and the entire team. I now invite Mr. Ashok E, Senior Manager, Rane TRW Steering System Private Limited, Integrated Flow Control Arrangement in Tractor Steering Gear. Mr. Ashok. The next one also goes to Mr. Ashok. Speed sensitive variable flow pump for commercial vehicle application, Rane TRW. The third one for Rane TRW, integrated motor pump unit for e-mobility. Do we have Mr. Ashok with us?
Yes, sir. This is thank you for your selection of the projects what we have submitted. We are very honored. You have acknowledged the work we have done in the last few years. We have really appreciate the feedback and the honor we have been for. Thank you.
Congratulations. Here's one more for you. Hydraulic rear axle steering.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Mr. D.B. Prabhu, co-founder and CEO, Repose Waste Management and Research Private Limited.
Namaste. Thank you, the entire Scotch team, for considering us for this prestigious award. We hold the conviction that recovery of resources from waste is key to holistic development. For this, informal recycling must be transformed into organized industry, and that needs a symbiotic ecosystem based on technology, transparency, and accountability. That's exactly what we are trying to do. We have enabled 23 e-waste recycling facilities across India through our phygital solutions based around IoT-enabled machinery, AI, and RPA. The total installed capacity is 56,000 tons as of now. That means a reduction of CO2 emissions by about 79,000 tons per annum. The workers' health has also reported a betterment of up to 40%. And the cumulative annual economic potential is about 3,500 crores. So it really feels good to contribute to Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat, and Atmanirbhar Bharat at the same time. Thank you very much for the Scotch team for recognizing our efforts. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Mr. Fazlur Rahman, partner, SK Package Machine.
हेलो सर, आप सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे?
जी, आपकी आवाज हम तक पहुंच रही है।
हाँ सर, इस अवार्ड के लिए स्कॉच टीम, उसके इंटायर जितने मेंबर्स हैं जिन्होंने हमको इसके लिए देने के लायक समझा और हमारे काम को समझा, उसके लिए उन सभी भाइयों को जो आपके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, सबको तहे दिल से शुक्रिया, जिन्होंने इतने दिन से हमको सपोर्ट किया। और हमें खुशी है कि ये मेरे लिए एक टोटली नया अवार्ड है और हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। कोरुगेटेड बॉक्स का जो भी मशीनरी होता है, आज अपने इंडस्ट्री में चाहे कोई भी चीज़ हो, उसको पैकिंग करने के लिए जो बॉक्स आते हैं उसकी मशीनरीज हम बनाते हैं और एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो इस अवार्ड के थ्रू हमको ये खुशी हो रही है कि इस अवार्ड को मिलने के बाद हम अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को अराउंड द वर्ल्ड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे और इसको और आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे। शुक्रिया, तहे दिल से शुक्रिया कि आपने हमें इसके लिए चुना।
आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू सर।
Dinesh Khonde, Chief Electrical Engineer from Industry, Energy and Labor Department, Government of Maharashtra. Innovative method to ascertain lift maintenance and public safety using blockchain.
Thank you, Scotch, and thank you, jury, for this great honor and for giving us an opportunity to represent our innovations on such a prestigious platform. As COVID-19 affects almost every aspect of human life, as a regulatory authority, it becomes a challenge for us to find ways and meaning ensuring public people safety while using a lift all across the Maharashtra. So a thought came forward, why not to have a digital solutions system that will accumulate multi-directional data, thereby providing a doorstep solutions to the lift license without physical interactions, irradiating counterfeiting lift license. So I acknowledge my sincere thanks again to the jury and the Scotch. Thank you.
Congratulations. Mr. Ravindra Kumar, District Magistrate, Unnao, response to COVID. Do we have Unnao with us? Mr. H.S. Mohan, Chief Executive Officer, Infrastructure Equipment Council, for trained mechanics and operators for high-value infrastructure equipment.
Sir, good afternoon. It's an opportunity, and then thank you so very much for the Scotch Award on behalf of my governing body, as well as the team ICMA and ISC. And it's a big opportunity for us to move forward to train and depute operators and mechanics for our high-value equipments. We have moved not only, we have put about 50,000 people in India. We have sent people to Germany, now in the position of sending it people to Australia. Now we have also trained some people in the Gulf countries. We have an excellent opportunities, and any recognition, a pat on the back. Thank you so very much, and we value, and we really value in the whole sense. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations.
And Dr. Dunjal, this is Reggie Daniel representing ISAF Small Finance Bank.
Yes, Mr. Daniel, I'll come back to you. So we have now with us Mr. Ravindra Kumar, District Magistrate. Yes, we have your video.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. I am Ravindra Kumar, sir, District Magistrate Unnao, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for the award, sir. And our team is here, sir, full team of COVID-19, sir. We are sitting here, and definitely enthusiasm will be increased by your award, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Good work. Congratulations to you and entire team. So let me move over to ESAF, whom we missed. Can we have Mr. Daniel's video? Yes, Mr. Daniel. So here's an announcement for you: financial, digital, and digital inclusion and education.
Good afternoon to you all. Good afternoon to Samir sir as well as Dunjal sir. I represent my MD, Mr. K. Paul Thomas, for this occasion, and we dedicate this award for financial, digital inclusion and education to the 42 lakh women, rural women who are micro entrepreneurs in our country through ISAF Small Finance Bank interventions. We highly appreciate the effort which Scotch is taking for highlighting these achievements. We accept this as an honor. Thank you so much to the Scotch team.
Congratulations to you, Mr. Daniel. And thank you very much for joining us. So we are joined by Mr. C. Rajendra Mani, Bank of India, Assistant General Manager for Document Management System.
Sir, this is Malati and Netra. Myself, Malati Vishwanathan,
yes,
on behalf of Bank of India, and Netra is here with me. And thank you so much for this opportunity on behalf of our top management and our executives. We are really honored, and thanks for the recognition and this opportunity as well.
The next one, which is BOI COVID response, also goes to Bank of India.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. We are honored for this opportunity by Scotch Group. We really look forward to the award ceremony.
Now this is BOI corporate and global websites, third one for Bank of India.
Okay, thanks once again, sir. Thank you so much for this recognition as well.
And BOI Seva Virtual Digital Assistant, Bank of India.
Thank you so much, sir. We really acknowledge all the efforts put by Scotch Group for going through all the process and everything. And on behalf of Bank of India team, we really thank for giving us this opportunity. We are looking forward to work with Scotch Group again. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations. So with this, let's move over to our experts. We are joined by Mr. Nirmal Bansal, as I announced in the beginning itself, and he has been observing all these interventions over a long period of time, and he has also gone through the submissions which are made by the recipients of Order of Merit. So Mr. Bansal, what are your observations when we say the Digital India Vision 21-25, and where are we vis-a-vis across the sectors, the people who have made such contributions?
Thank you, Dr. Dhanjal, for having me with you for this prestigious 72nd Summit and the Scotch Awards. Yeah, of course, that I've been witnessing a lot of projects and have been assessing also, and I find that there's a great transformation, particularly into the digital area. We just imagine, had we not gone the digital, what would have happened during the COVID? We would have really gone mad, you know. So this is all the credit for the new India, which is going digital, and more people are using it. Number one, I must congratulate all the participants who have been putting their hard efforts for making their project unique and successful. Secondly, all the heads off to Scotch Group for their efforts for getting it assessed from time to time, going through the rigorous processes, and then selecting the projects throughout the country. And my congratulations to you, and which you have been doing for 72nd time now in continuation, and I'm sure that many more to come. So what I see that there's a lot of scope into the digital India. Since morning we have been hearing various speakers, various panels which have discussed on so many aspects, and digital has come everywhere, whether it's the competition or whether it is into the Atmanirbhar or whether we are going for anything else, you know. So this is going to be of immense importance in times to come. So now I wish all the best of luck to the recipient of this semi-finalist, and I'm sure that with the hard work and that the efforts which these people are putting into getting their presentations done and making presentations and making their projects unique. Thank you very much, Dr. Bhushan Dhanjal.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bansal. Mr. Bhushan Mohan.
Yes, good afternoon, all of you. Really impressed with the long list of the award winners. I think they have done an excellent job I have been a part of jury in many of the presentations, and let me say that this time, most of the presentations were really above the norm. So I think the work that has been done is really, really excellent. I wish them all the best. And I hope they are able to qualify for the next award also. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you so much, all the semi-finalists, for joining us on this round of announcements. And we anxiously await the announcement for the Scotch Awards, which are due to take place this evening itself. And Mr. Bansal, Mr. Bhushan Mohan, thank you very much.